If you're thinking about using Zoho Social for managing your social media and analyzing performance, you need to know these 12 things before committing. While it's a solid tool for social media management, it's important to compare it with other platforms like Hootsuite, Sprout Social, and Buffer to make sure it fits your needs. Let's dive in. First thing you should know is Zoho Social's reporting features. It gives you in-depth reports on your social media performance across different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can customize these reports to track exactly what matters to you, which is a big plus compared to some competitors that limit customization. But the downside? It can feel overwhelming if you're new to reporting. It's not always the most intuitive for beginners. Next thing, while you get reports for individual social media platforms, Zoho Social allows you to compare data across different channels. This multi-channel view is something competitors like Buffer and Hootsuite also offer, but Zoho's interface is often praised for being cleaner. Still, there's a slight learning curve to it, especially when you want to analyze performance on multiple platforms at once. The third thing is the real-time analytics. Zoho Social's reporting is updated in real time, which is a big advantage over some platforms where data can be delayed by several hours. This means you can quickly adjust your strategy based on what's working and what isn't. But remember, real-time reporting can sometimes lead to information overload if you don't have a set plan on how to analyze it. The fourth thing is its integration with other Zoho products. If you already use Zoho CRM or other Zoho tools, the seamless integration with Zoho Social can save you time and effort. It's one of the reasons businesses within the Zoho ecosystem prefer it. However, if you're not using other Zoho products, you might find the integration less of a benefit and feel limited compared to other platforms like Sprout Social, which have a broader range of integrations. Next thing, scheduling and publishing features. Zoho Social gives you detailed scheduling options with the ability to queue posts, set them for specific times, and even optimize post times based on when your audience is most active. While platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer also offer this, Zoho's feature is a little more intuitive, especially when working with multiple brands. Now let's talk about the team collaboration aspect. Zoho Social allows you to set up multiple team members, each with their own permissions and tasks, which is helpful for larger teams. But if you need more advanced collaboration tools, like those found in Sprout Social, Zoho may fall a bit short. The next thing is the sentiment analysis feature. Zoho Social includes sentiment tracking, helping you gauge the mood of your audience based on their comments and engagement. This is something that's less prominent in some other platforms, but if you're a business that's all about community engagement, it can be an excellent tool. On the flip side, it's not as advanced as what you might get with other specialized sentiment analysis tools. The seventh thing is the reporting templates. Zoho Social comes with a set of pre-built templates, saving you time on creating reports from scratch. However, if you need more flexibility or highly customized reports, you may find this feature lacking compared to competitors like Sprout Social, which offers more customization options. The eighth thing is analytics for paid social media ads. Zoho Social can track the performance of your paid ads across platforms like Facebook and Instagram, helping you optimize your campaigns. While this feature is solid, other tools like Hootsuite and Buffer are a bit more advanced in ad reporting and campaign management, especially for larger budgets. Next thing is the mobile app. Zoho Social's mobile app gives you access to reports and allows you to manage your social media accounts on the go. However, the app is not as feature-rich as the desktop version, and it can sometimes feel clunky compared to the more polished apps from competitors. The 10th thing is Zoho Social's customer support. Zoho offers email and chat support, and the general feedback is that it's reliable, but not always the fastest. Other tools like Sprout Social provide more robust customer service with quicker response times, which could be an issue if you need immediate assistance. The 11th thing is the pricing. Zoho Social's pricing is competitive, and it offers a free version with basic features, which is great for small businesses or startups. However, the more advanced reporting and analytics tools come with higher tier plans, and for those looking for an all-in-one solution, other tools might offer a bit more for the same price. And finally, the last thing you need to know is its scalability. Zoho Social is a great option for small to mid-sized businesses,